setups. So digging into the story problem and getting the information correct. Keep in mind, I made this comment at the start and I'll make it again. I will look over any problem setup you wish and tell you if you have got it analyzed correctly or incorrectly. I will not help you with the math because we're doing that as far as examples. You need to make that. I do understand that reading story problems or figuring things out in the work world is a skill and it takes time to develop. That's why I'm willing to help you go over your drawing setup. So with that said, on your law of cosines homework, which is due next time we meet, is there any you would like me to go over the setup with?
So every time it says, I mean, because a lot of them say to the horizon, so you just have your line, and wherever they're just talking from the horizon.
Yes, the horizon is considered a horizontal line that's straight.
Okay.
And then usually we use terms such as angle of elevation, which means I'm looking and I'm turning up. Or I got angle of what? The decreasing angle. Let me just point it out in the text. You can tell I've been talking a lot today. It's on page 34 of your text, angle of depression.
Oh,
Page 34 of your text. They give you two examples of that. Okay. So what these two terms mean, you see these in problems all the time. Okay. Anybody, any questions?
let's just do, can we do 4?
I'm sorry?
Can we do number 4? I'm
Sure.
just picking one.
If you guys don't want to see any, that's fine. I'm just going to work another problem. Give you another example. Okay.
Because it says it turns to a heading.
Yeah. So you got your heading questions. You want to take these quite literally. Make sure you're reading every single word when you look at these. So a cruise ship heads north from port. Now north is a vertical line, right? Okay, you think of a map. For 20 miles. They then turn to a heading of 18 degrees east of south. Okay. So that's going to give you a direction straight south, and we're going to turn 18 degrees to the east. We'll put that on the board here. Travels another 12 miles. At this far, how far is the ship from port? Okay, so what we know right now, we're going to say here is port. Okay. Heads north, so they're coming this way. And that is going to be 20 miles. Okay? Now at this point, the ship turns to a heading of 18 degrees east of south. Well, on a map, this is always north, this is south, this is east, this is west, right? So the ship is going to turn 18 degrees east of south. Well, south is here, straight back down, right? But we're going to then turn 18 degrees toward the east. So it's going to go something like this, where this angle is 18. Because this is the east side of my south azimuth. And they go, what, 12 miles? Is that what I remember? 12 miles. Okay. They want to know that. Yep, it's the exact same setup we just did for your pop quiz.
Okay.
Did anybody find the trick one in here?
No.
Okay, well, pay attention to that cheat sheet. Any others? Okay.
So So like on number 6, where you have two planes that are going, I think they're going together towards each other or something. Oh, okay, so two airplanes are 805 kilometers apart, kilometers, whatever. The planes are flying toward the same airport. So I just have my line on the bottom that is 805 kilometers apart, or 805 kilometers.
Artist.
And so then the angle, where am I?
Oh, it's 7:30, big one is
An
wrong.
angle at which they pass the airport. So, because we're trying to find the angle at that, where the airport is, right?
That's my airport. It's got a little windsock on it. Okay.
So we're looking for the angle where the airport is, right?
Yep.
Okay.
Where their paths intersect.
Uh-huh, okay.
Okay. This one's faster. Sweat wings. All right.
Was that one blowing up and gonna be called? Nose diving?
Okay. Any others? You do have two on the next page. They both have diagrams with them, but. All right, we've worked quite a few problems and we've worked all the things that, I don't know that we got enough time to get through a whole nother problem. I've kept you late a couple times, so let me just kind of stop there. As you go through your homework, if you have any questions on it, get with me. Next week,